look as we getting greeted. This is very spectacular over here. How's it going? Oh, okay.
Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are in Santa's Slaughterhouse.
And what are we gonna be doing, buddy, over here? You know? I don't know, but I can tell you right now that this is a home-based hunt. And you know what? What could be better than mixing both of our seasons? You know, something Halloween and something Christmas. And the story goes that, you know, the elves were pushed so hard in this Christmas that they started going crazy to the point that you can find body parts and stuff over there.
Or maybe tiny.
Oh, I don't know. And then you may see Santa Claus over there going nuts. I don't know. But we were invited over here by the people who organized this hunt over here. So we want to say thank you for the invite. So we're just here to check it out. Are you excited, dude? You look kind of scared.
I am.
You are? How about you?
Yes, I'm ready.
Well, you're ready. Okay, cool. Cause I'm definitely ready to see this. But what are we waiting on?
So let's go.
But wait, Mom, hit the intro.
Hit it. Kalel is doing a stereo match with something unusual to see nowadays. We should be living a jolly moment, but I don't know what happened. Whoa, what was that?
It's a hand.
Dude, you really think the He-Man won your hand? Could that be possible? Oh, whoa, okay, maybe mine.
John, you always hear my younger brother Santa. Yeah.
So we just met Santa Claus' brother over here.
You get in there, Mrs. Claus.
Oh,
Mrs. Claus.
Yeah.
Mrs. Claus over there?
Yep.
And you're the main reason why Santa Claus went nuts.
Yeah.
That's what you said?
I visited him 900 years ago. I just came back and he's like, wait, you?
Wow.
I'm the wild child of the family. Well, you all have
So
fun.
let me ask you something.
Yeah.
The people that get presents around here are the people that are on the naughty list or nice list?
He visits the people on the nice list.
Okay.
I visit people on the naughty list.
Okay.
We
All right.
have kids around, so I can't say what I do.
Well,
but keep an eye on them.
yeah, you know what? I will not say who's on the naughty list, but
Oh,
sorry.
I mean, he will make definitely a good elf.
Oh yeah.
I mean, we might have to cut his ears a
Yes.
little bit.
That's fine.
Pointy.
Make him pointy. When
Yeah.
we get taller, we will cut his knees off.
Oh, okay.
Something like
Yeah.
that. That sounds a little bit
Sounds like a
brutal,
fun
but that's
job.
okay.
Well, you all have fun.
Thank you. And we're back. And with that said, we want to remind you, if you're brand new over here, what should you do? All of them.
Don't fall.
Don't fall.
Make sure you subscribe.
And smash that like button.
And if you've been with us all this time, thank you for all the love and support. But if you're brand new here, do it. What
Make
do
sure
they have
you
to do?
subscribe.
Subscribe and
And smash that like button without falling.
without falling, because this is your family here from Central Florida, that one that takes you all over town, from theme park, local attractions, special events like this one. Look,
Even though we're in Korea.
even during Christmas, on creepy Christmas, we are here because we want to show you everything that we do local and in your theme park. But with that said, you know, what are you waiting on? It's free. Do it. Subscribe and hit that like button. Do it. So guys, as I was telling you, this is a haunted house in a home, which is kind of cool because, you know, guys, we're here to support any local events. But basically, they're doing all these at free cost, but they're asking for donations for, I think it's baby DJ and stuff like that. So if you can, make sure you come and see these guys, and you will get to see all these crazy scare actor happening over here. And trust me, there's a lot of wicked cool scare actors around here, so make sure you come and check it out. This is located in Orlando, kind of like in the west side of Orlando, and we will link the information down below. But it's called Santa's Slaughterhouse, and it's something that you guys definitely have to come and see. This is the interesting character that greeted us earlier today. Very, very interesting character to see. He's saying hi to us and you guys at home. Are you looking for more victims? He's pointing out, are you wanting the kids or you wanting the wife? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna let you tell me who you want. Oh, whoa, whoa. Okay, there you go. He's gonna point. Whoa. Oh, oh, just like that.
All three of them.
Whoa. I think Karen that he could use another arm.
No, I don't know.
Wow. Interesting. Karen, you were chosen.
I was.
You're lucky
You
you.
went like this to my face, but I'm good.
I don't know if you realize, but that's somebody's dead hand.
Yeah, it's okay though.
Oh,
It's
okay.
okay.
Well,
I take it.
that's good to know. Santa's Slaughterhouse. Wow. That was different. We got a scare actor right back over here. But one thing we can tell you, that was different. But different in a good way, though.
2020 has turned.
Yeah. It was Christmas on 2020. That's the best description that I can give
That's
you.
what happened to Santa when he was in quarantine for too long.
Exactly. Santa went crazy over there. And I mean, there's a lot of surprise elements. It was super cool to see though. It was different. So, you know, it's a small haunt here in a house, but still,
I think my favorite part was Mrs. Claus.
You get to see all kind of stuff going on in there.
It was really cool. I liked it.
It was cool. But Kalel has a new friend.
I think he still wants my teeth.
I think
Yeah.
you cut it a little too high. You need to take a little more off. Can help you with that.
You want it trimmed?
Yeah.
You say I can give you a good deal.
So Kalel has been an easy target today.
Payment teeth?
Payment teeth. There you go. It's like, dude, it's like the Tooth Fairy, man. Look at these all amazing scare actors waiting for everybody. And correct me if I'm wrong, you're gonna be here this weekend, right?
Yeah.
This weekend, so you get to meet you meet Santa Claus. That's Santa Claus himself, Mrs. Claus, a lot of creepy elves. So come and see them. Make sure you come and see them. Do not feed Tim. Carla, do
Should I
not do
feed him?
that.
Should I feed him?
No, they don't want you feeding Tim. So it could be dangerous. You just never know. Hey guys, so check this out. Their Christmas tree. There's some guts in there. A dead Mickey. They killed Mickey. What happened? Oh my. And then they have a horse with a water. I'm telling you, this place is creepy, but we love it. Look at Kyla. Kyla's finding some stuff over here, but we love it. Oh my!
So easy to make that. What's the blood?
Oh my! Yeah, I definitely will not be trying that
I won't
out.
be trying that one. But good job. I'll leave that to you.
Yeah.
Although my wife wouldn't mind me cutting my tongue off before I sit, but that's okay. We're not gonna do it at home.
No, don't try it at home because then your kids are gonna do it.
See, you were pointing in. Yeah, that's Josh, our friend right there. So, journey by Josh right there. Follow him. I got the privilege to be next to Santa Claus, the real Santa Claus, by the way, the naughty one. Yes. So, if you're naughty, that's what you gotta encounter. But anyway, make sure you hit that like button in this video and come and see them.
Hola, we back.
Yes, and we are actually here at home after that creepy, unique experience watching Santa Claus Slaughterhouse What are you thought, man?
I'm glad that our tree isn't like the other tree.
I know our tree is actually a normal traditional tree without guts in it.
Yeah.
But anyways, what do you thought, Kyla?
I thought it was really, really cool, and it's a thing that nobody else has done before. I thought it was really, really cool. We should go back.
I agree with you, and I know you got a little bit freaked out
Yeah,
because it was, you know, it's not normal to see Santa Claus and elf going nuts
Yeah,
and crazy.
And guts
And
everywhere.
I agree with what Mom said. You're so used to like the holly jolly and Christmas, and you feel like you've gotten out of
Christmas, for sure, yeah.
Halloween.
And then
You've gotten
exactly.
out of Halloween into Christmas, and then you just get spooked out.
And then you
again.
went back.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got you. Completely
So I'm not
agree.
like used to it again.
To the people that organized the Santa Slaughterhouse, that was an amazing job.
It was really,
It was
really cool.
well done. I mean, we loved it. I mean, we may come back. We may come back. I know they're gonna be running it through this weekend, so we might come back because I don't know. The more that we think about it, it's so unique that we actually loved it.
Yeah, and there was some characters that I didn't see at all, so we for sure gotta go back.
There was so much going on. I'm telling you guys, you have to go. And this home hunt is actually free. I mean, literally, it's free. All you have to do is just to go make some reservation online for a free ticket. Obviously, they want to control the crowd. And then they're asking for donations. And basically what they're trying to do is just help out people in need. Or you could bring a unwrapped toy, so they could probably donate for, I want to say, Baby DJ. Anyways, I'm going to link their information down below on their website. But I'm telling you,
You guys have
it
to
is
go.
well worth it. It was like no other thing that I haven't seen that before. And it's so much going on in the house that I mean, it's like one of those things you got to do a few times in order
Yeah.
to appreciate
And
all
if-
the details.
And if you like spooky stuff, that would be really, really cool to see, especially since I don't think there's ever been a horror house on Christmas.
On Christmas, all I can tell you, there's a lot of creepy elves. I mean, there's body parts everywhere. I don't know. It was insane, but it was insanely good. That's I can tell you.
And maybe some new characters will be.
I don't know. Yeah, we were told that they may bring some other characters for the weekend, and the house may be even extended. We just got a preview. But anyways, please check them out. Support the local hunts. We're about that. We love supporting, showing love to everybody. And if you're here in town, you will not regret it. It is a creepy,
really cool.
fun experience. That's all that that we can tell you.
And a great thing to do for Christmas as well.
Exactly. But anyway, sadly, this adventure has ended. And with that said, we want to remind everybody to
Subscribe,
And smash that like button. And turn that bell for notifications.
bing, 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 and feel free to comment down below. Always remember to
smile out, be great.
Be cool.
and stay awesome. See you guys in the next adventure.
Bye, guys.
Boom.
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 No.
See ya. Bye.
No. Santa's gonna come for you.
Creepy Santa's
Creepy,
coming for you.
yeah.
He told me you are in the naughty list.
No, you're in
You
the
better
naughty
watch
list.
out.
You're the naughty list.
Because he's gonna
That
come.
line is in the
That
naughty list,
cringy
right?
line is in the night.
He's coming tonight.